Hello, Broncos. As you know, Western Michigan University is a learner-centered and discovery-driven research institution that enables all Broncos to pursue their purpose. These attributes are enhanced by our vibrant and consequential research, innovation, and creative scholarship, which helps our university thrive and improves the world. In that spirit, we have an exciting new challenge for you. It's called the Bronco Innovators Challenge, sponsored by the Office of Research and Innovation. It's open to all undergraduates. It's an opportunity to pitch your innovative or creative ideas and receive support and mentorship throughout the spring semester. Details are available on the website below. I look forward to hearing you pitch your ideas on April 21st. Now, Broncos, go innovate and help propel the campus forward.